Hey guys, Jesse Stevens here from Cold Zero Airsoft Tactical, back from the dead. This video that I'm posting now is not a new video by any means. This is back in 2013 when me and some of my teammates were playing at I believe this was called Airsoft Tactical at the time. Oh yeah, it says right on the sign. I know they got bought out, and I don't know if they're called now, but this was, like I said, back in 2013. The game that I'm going to be playing in right now is called Terrorist or Trouble in Terrorist Town. This is just old footage. I figured I'd post this first to my channel, and yeah, hope you guys enjoy.
Arms straight in front of you. Put your thumb at a vertical position. Terrorists only. You heard that? Terrorists only. Put your heads up and look around and see who the other terrorists are. Everybody else heads down again. Everybody. Spread out. You got 30 seconds.
Let's go with Nate.
You're awesome at this game. You're amazing at this game. Dude, I killed you guys. I'm recording. This is a bad spot. This is a horrible spot.
Wait, I don't get the game. Alright. In here. We're gonna hold this entire room, okay? Guys, get a position.
Jesse.
No.
Jesse. What we're gonna do?
Hey, answer truthfully. Are any of you guys terrorists?
No.
Alright, cool.
Hey guys.
Are you terrorists? Are you terrorists?
No. Hey, stop. Hey.
You guys know I'm the detective? Yeah. Detective.
Whoa. Put your gun down. One second. This is the detective. You can't be the terrorist. Does everybody know who the detective is?
Yeah. He hollered it over the,
Oh, sorry. What's your name?
Campbell.
Campbell. Like chicken soup?
Exactly.
Awesome.
So,
Nice stroke.
what do you keep pointing at him for?
Don't worry. Fingers split. Wanna make sure.
Are we gonna watch this whole thing? Because we gotta make sure he's yours.
Jesse, what does the detective do?
What?
What does the detective do?
He's supposed to ask.
Oh,
Watch out, wait.
I think you can die. If someone wants to kill you, then you can't ask. Man,
Does that mean I'm dead, or do you guys revive me?
let's just ask.
Oh, that's fine.
Run up there and ask.
I'll ask.
I'm wondering where that went.
Well, my first question is, you the terrorist?
am I?
Are you? I'm asking. No. No? Are you the terrorist?
No.
No.
Hey, yeah. We dead.
We did?
Yeah.
Why would you do, Nate?
Kill him. Then go kill me. Didn't see that?
Why'd you kill him?
Because he's the terrorist.
Oh, good point.
My God.
Wait, no, Nate was here. Jesse.
Yeah.
You didn't know the name was the terrorist?
I knew.
So why do you shoot him?
Because how come he's gonna kill us?
How come Joe shoot him?
I don't know. Look, Johnny.
Oh, yeah, I know.
Black Ops.
Nate's a terrorist?
Are you guys alive still?
Yeah.
All dead?
No, we're not dead.
No, I'm dead.
You're all alive.
You're dead.
I'm just making sure. So how do I get revived? Well, does this game end then, since nobody can shoot
since
each
you got
other?
out so fast, go fucking walk around.
Like, I can fucking do it at the moment. Like, you're... So, I never had the detective die that early.
Hey, dude.
Glad to be the first. Sorry, guys.
Dude, no one's supposed to know who the detective is. That's what's so stupid. I don't like that guy.
Yeah.
Well, okay, I don't
He's
get
a terrorist who killed the detective.
Oh.
I had to kill him. Yeah, now he's lying. He's like dumber than stupid. Yeah, I heard something was going to go down on here.
Jesse, I got
There you go.
because he's out.
Joe. Black Ops. And you die because I go like this, and it's like
Oh,
in your,
yeah.
you know, in the game, or you go like this and you're dead
Yeah.
because it thinks that you hit him.
Yeah. Or if you like went forward.
Yeah. You could be like from here, there, and kill somebody with a knife.
I know.
Not a ref, just an observer.
Oh,
Observer?
he's probably a terrorist. Shoot him.
Shoot him.
Shoot him.
So is that a riot too?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
The refs and observers with the sergeant's permission. Just, I was expecting you guys to do another TDM.
Hey, detective, we got 2 civilians dead. Oh no, I'm not part of this.
Easy killers. Easy.
What are you doing?
Well, I know he is.
What are you asking? Aren't you dead?
Yeah, aren't you dead?
Well, what was that supposed to? I suppose he said I could go back in since
No,
I
he said
died
you
so
could
damn
walk
fast.
around. He never
Okay.
said you could go back
Oh,
in.
walk around.
Hey, so we just went to shooting range.
I don't know. We have probable cause.
Oh,
If we have probable cause. This guy right here is starting to scare me. Do a headshot right now.
No, I knew you were there. I'm trying to hide behind the guy.
Okay, let's go. We want to go to the house? All of us as a group, go to the house? Ready?
where are we going?
Go into the house.
Wait, can we get shot?
That's what I'm going to try to do, get some excitement, you know what I mean?
Can we
Joe,
get shot?
Joe,
We're going, man.
we're going to move.
Can we get shot though?
Yes, we can.
Where's Matt?
Ready? Ready? Ready?
Alright, if you're gonna shoot me, just shoot me now.
Is there a detective? No. Is there a detective?
You dead?
We need a detective. Hey, sit on the couch. Sit on the couch.
One mags out of your guns. Mag out of your guns now.
I'm innocent.
Oh, we're all dead. 3 of us
Here,
got
I'm trusting
hit.
you. I'm trusting you.
Then put your gun back in the...
I'm
Mag out.
trusting you.
What?
Mag out.
Hold on, the detective's on his way.
Hang out. Hang out? Okay.
Just everybody calm down.
No? Okay.
We're dead, so.
They're all dead.
Want to make sure. Hey, 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 hey.
I'm trusting you.
You mag out?
I will trust you as long as you don't stab me with that big pointy ass knife. I know. I'm trusting you. There's bullets. I thought we heard bullets from the bathroom. Is there a detective here yet?
Hey, no talking. You can't. I appreciate it, but you can't talk. Hey, thanks for the help, though. I appreciate it.
Feedback. I just shot Zach. He was a terrorist.
I can be in front of you. I prove your trust.
You're tripping me, man.
I swear to God, I'll trust you, but you try something. That people sit on the couch and
It's fun. I don't care.
whatever. I'm coming out. I'm coming out.
Hey, with the bad blood. How was that?
What?
Mexican standoff.
Hey,
We're gonna drive
guys,
home like
whoa.
this. Like in your car.
Calm down. Mike, guys, I don't got anything.
Hey, ask him.
I gotta unplug.
You a terrorist?
Take your mask off.
Are you?
Are you a terrorist?
I'm just unplugging.
You not?
You gotta go to the bathroom.
Are you a terrorist?
I'm not a terrorist.
You already asked me. Yes, I did.
Ask the tall guy in the digital.
Quit asking me if I'm a terrorist.
Are you a terrorist?
Is he a
Coming out.
detective?
Yes.
Yeah,
No, I'm not a terrorist.
he revived me at the
Wait,
time.
did you ask
I
him?
revived you?
Guys, hold on. There was a guy in there that shot two of my teammates, I said. Then we had 4 dudes in here, but I don't know who they were.
They went down the toilet. Okay.
Hey, Zach.
Hey,
is
where
a
all my
terrorist.
team? Where'd
We
Joe go?
got 2 terrorists. Zach is a terrorist. Nate was a terrorist. They're both dead.
So there's one left.
2 more terrorists. No, there's 4. Right?
I got the door.
All right.
Hey,
Yeah.
can someone come step on this door so I can left behind?
Anybody opens that door, they're dead. Your probable cause. Because they're intruding. Alright, go ahead.
Why don't we put the couch in front of it?
Yeah, we can't move anything.
Okay.
So you're not terrorist? Okay, good. What the heck?
Who even is the detective?
The tall guy here, the ACU digital.
Got those 2 rifle.
No, they're
We got a lot of guys out here. There's a ton. They're all big.
TV isn't working.
They're all up in the dark room.
They are? They're in jail?
Yeah. No, they're in the dark room. That's all I know. I've seen a ton of people out there.
Why did we all come here?
My guy, we know that
It's like a death trap. Why did we all come here?
No, it's not a death trap, actually.
Is that like a plastic or
It kind of was. Somebody came through the window.
Well, somebody just shot me out of nowhere. I feel like it was somebody like in the back. I don't know. It could have been because I was right by like.
I got hit. I was standing over here.
That guy just went out there to see if one of them were a terrorist.
Guys got
The guy peeked down from the top.
like 2 minutes to find the terrorist.
2 minutes? That's
Shoot
dumb.
that guy in the face.
So the guy in the ACU is a detective?
Yeah. Yep. I've actually done that last time I was
You
here.
can't. That's against the rules.
no, because
Put
I
your
can
gun
see.
to shoot through the hole.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. But I
Oh,
can.
it's against the rules.
It's not blind firing. I can see.
No, that's blind fire. You can ask Marcus.
He's not blind.
But I can see through the
Yeah,
window.
look, just
Just
Okay.
don't do it.
All right.
do that.
Oh.
So you can still see.
Yeah, I can see.
There you go. You still have the same advantage. If not better, because actually staying on the sides. I want to move.
I think somebody's coming. Oh.
Guys, as soon as we move.
Steve.
Let's go. Hey Johnny, let's move. Ready?
Did you say he's dead? There's a lot of butt hurt to be had.
Dude.
Do that to me, I'm gonna shoot you. I'm not kidding.
I don't have a gun.
And me.
That's even better. Okay.
That was fun. If you do it again, I will shoot you. Oh, okay.
Yeah, I know. This is really.
I wanted to say that. I was gonna say that. But you beat me to it.
I didn't fire a single round the entire.
Yeah, neither did I.
That was the point.